Hello, ocean lovers. Today we're exploring 5 fascinating facts about the ocean. Let's dive in. Fact number 1, the ocean covers over 70% of our planet's surface, yet we've only explored about 5% of it. Fact number 2, the Mariana Trench is the deepest part of the ocean, diving over 36,000 feet. Fact number 3, the Great Barrier Reef, the world's largest living structure, stretches over 1,400 miles. Fact number 4, more than 90% of ocean species remain undiscovered, from tiny plankton to massive whales. Fact number 5, the ocean produces over half of the world's oxygen, thanks to tiny plants called phytoplankton. And those are 5 incredible ocean facts. Subscribe for more ocean adventures. Until next time, keep exploring.